Everyone has that one story about their hair, and this is mine. Since childhood, my hair has been a constant companion, witnessing every chapter of my life. It was my tool for expression, be it the phases of childhood or teenage and then adulthood. From breakups to new beginnings, through emotional upheavals, my gender identity crisis, or understanding my sexuality. Having bore witness to my life, it can very well be the storyteller of my life.
लंबे और मजबूत बाल चाहिए तो आंवला तेल लगाइए।
In India, hair holds significant value. It is nurtured and taken care of. It is removed, added, and accessorized across various important rituals. But it is really the long hair that carries with it the burdens of societal expectations and morality, the stereotypes of who can and cannot have it. Hair has been the battleground on which wars of morality have been fought. For 3 decades, I have been an active participant in shaping my own hair. So, when I discovered that hair could be used as a biomaterial, something I could physically create with, I was captivated.
याद रखना, आगे बढ़ने के लिए तुम्हें जो मजबूती चाहिए सब यहाँ है। जब कोई डराए तो उसका सामना करने की मजबूती।
Braids have been the default hairstyle for generations of South Asians. The 3-strand plait, a simple and effortless style, is woven and embedded in our cultural imagery. For most Indian families, the ritual of oiling and braiding long hair exists as a generational activity. So, when it came to working with hair for this project, braiding was the obvious choice. I wanted to recreate that sense of family and community. To capture that feeling, I chose 3 different colors of hair, representing the weaving together of stories of generations, just like in my childhood. Tasked with making approximately 235 braids for the project I had envisioned, I set up a loom to enlist the help of my students. We'd gather at the end of the day, braiding together but also sharing stories and checking in on each other. For those braiding at home with their own families, I created portable braiding looms. Across the course of this project, countless hands have touched these strands. Each braid carries the collective energy of my community, their support, their stories, their time. And that's how this project came to life.